Hey guys, this is cycle monogram and you can see it says burn fat not oil. That means you can burn fat with cycling and not the oil, that is not the petrol and fuel. And you can see it is made up of quality aluminum composite material. It looks very beautiful. It's very quality products and it is very easy. You can stick it above your bed or in your bedroom or on wardrobe. You can simply peel the quality industrial tapes provided and simply stick it. If you want, you can also drill and fasten with the screw. And this is silver brush color. It comes with two different color. This is silver brush color and the other color is this golden. This different design, but you will have an idea. It comes with golden mirror color as well. So yes, if you are a cyclist fan or you love cycling, or if you know any of your friends and relatives who love cycling or who are fan of this kind of riding bicycles, you can give them this kind of cycling monogram. So to order this monogram, just visit www.jadhavmonogram.com. See you on the other side.